to DM on Instagram. Welcome back, friends. Now on this video I'm going to show you how to direct message on Instagram. Now for you to send direct message on Instagram, you need to log in your Instagram account. As you can see, I'm already in my Instagram account. Now you will need to go to the profile of that person you want to direct message. You want to send him direct message. Now I'll show you the steps that you will follow. Now you will go to the search and you look for that person that you want to send him direct message. As you can see, my recent search, I will send message to this person. Now on his profile page, I'll just click message and then send him a message, send him something and click send. And that's how to DM a person on Instagram. Now if you want to send him a picture, you can just click this gallery and send him a picture. If you choose the picture that you want to send him and send him. If you want to send him a voice note, you can click the microphone and send him a voice note. And if you want to send him direct picture, you can just click on this blue button on your left corner, bottom corner, and send him. Now guys, that's how to DM a person on Instagram. I hope if this video has helped you, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also like and comment on the comments below. Otherwise, see you on the next one.